Hey everybody, my name is Robert Henshaw. I'm the Internet Manager here with Canon Motors in Oxford, Mississippi. And what I want to do is go over one of the most basic features we have on most of our new cars nowadays, especially with the GM products, the Chevrolet Buick Cadillac GMC. And that's your Bluetooth phone and how to connect that Bluetooth phone to your system. Okay? Now most of your systems, if you'll see right here, we do have the touchscreen display. That's the Chevrolet MyLink. It's in the same with the Buick, which is the IntelliLink, and the Cadillac, which is the Q. Most of these systems will all pair the exact same way. Now on the older systems that have the base radio, base system in them, the commands will be just a little bit different, but for the most part they're all just like this. Now, the buttons right here on your steering wheel, if you'll see the voice button right there, the top is your voice activation right here, and the bottom is to hang up. That's to cancel everything you do. Okay? Now what it'll start out with is just a basic command, and that command is going to be pair. Now some of the things you want to do right before you start doing this though is to make sure your phone is on, it is activated. Now I'll be using an iPhone for this demonstration. There's just a little bit of difference with the Android and the older, the other flip phones, older phones, but I'll tell you about those. On your iPhone, the first thing you want to do is go into your settings menu right here, and you want to turn your Bluetooth on. Okay? Now when you turn the Bluetooth on an iPhone, it automatically becomes discoverable. See? On your Androids and your flip phones, what you have to do is you have to actually tell it to make my phone discoverable and or search for new devices. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to start this system up. When you say the commands, the system will actually take you through it. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay? A lot of people mess up whenever they push the button. It'll say, for you to say a command, and a lot of people start talking right off the bat. What you want to do is you want to wait for that beep. The system will give you a beep to let it know that it is listening to you at that point in time. Okay? Once you hear that beep, you'll give it a simple command, pair. Okay? Pair. That's your command. It'll start a search for your Bluetooth device. On the iPhones, it'll do it automatically. On the Androids and Flip, it will give you a 4-digit code you have to enter in. Okay? And it'll walk you right through the whole thing. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this. I'm going to pair my phone up to the system and show you how this works, okay? If you'll listen for the commands.
Sport in America requires hard work and high energy. So when I need that energy...
Please say a command.
Pair.
Please search for Bluetooth devices on your phone. Select your vehicle, confirm, or enter the PIN number provided on the screen.
See, it shows up Chevy Malibu. I push it. Takes it just a second to locate it. Bluetooth pairing. Now see, it does it automatically on the iPhones. Chevy Malibu would like to pair with your iPhone. Confirm that the code 303406 is shown on Chevy Malibu. So then you're going to look up here, and it'll give you that code. Takes this thing a second to focus. That code is showing on the screen, so what you want to do here is say pair. And
Successfully paired with David's iPhone.
Now the phone is paired and it is ready to work. If you'll see, it pops up here, enter number and phone settings. And it's showing you the name of the phone, that the phone is connected and paired. Now if you watch, it just popped up phone book. What the system did was it automatically downloaded my phone book from my phone to the system. So now it can dial by name or it can dial by number. Okay, now it just popped up another command called call lists. What that does is that gives you all your recent calls that you just did while you were in the car. So you can call all that stuff up from your phone, right here from the steering wheel, or right there on your screen, and never have to take your hands off the road, or never have to take your hands off the wheel, take your eyes off the road. That's what this system was made for. It's a very compatible, very safe feature. You can make and receive calls through your car now, through the stereo system, and you never have to take your hands off. Now, a while ago when it connected my phone, it did it automatically with the iPhone. On the other phones, the Android smartphone system and the flip phones, the older phones, it'll give you that 4-digit code. All you do is just put that 4-digit code in on your phone and press the pair button just like I did on my iPhone. And it will connect that to the phone too. On some systems it may ask you to give the phone a name. All you simply do is say your name when prompted, and remember, wait for the beep, and then it will store your phone in the system. And like I said, now you're able to make and receive calls through the system. All I want to do is cancel all this stuff out, and I want to go back home, and now my phone is connected. And that's all you got to do. If you have any questions about this, you can please give us a call here at any of our Canon Motor Company. You can give me a call at 662-234-2311 here at Oxford. I'll be glad to help you get your system paired up. If you can't do it, just bring it up here and we'll be glad to do it for you. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps.